12 clever car gadgets that will upgrade your vehicle. Did you know that the average driver spends over 300 hours a year in their car? That's right, a significant portion of our lives is spent behind the wheel. With all that time on the road, why not make your driving experience a little more comfortable, safe, and fun? That's exactly what we're diving into today. 12 clever car gadgets that can elevate your ride in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your interior or enhance your vehicle's performance, these gadgets are the perfect solutions for modern drivers. Buckle up, you're in for a ride. Thule Atmos X4 Car Roof Box. Let's kick things off with one of the most practical and game-changing accessories you can add to your car, the Thule Atmos X4 Car Roof Box. Imagine this, you're heading out on a road trip, and your car is already packed to the brim. There's just no room for the extra camping gear, skis, or luggage. This is where the Thule Atmos X4 comes in. Designed to be sleek, aerodynamic, and surprisingly spacious, this roof box offers a ton of extra storage space. It's perfect for those long trips when you need to haul more than just yourself. But wait, you might be thinking, isn't adding something to the roof just going to mess with my fuel efficiency? Great question. While it's true that carrying extra cargo can impact gas mileage, the Thule Atmos X4 is designed to minimize drag with its streamlined shape, meaning it won't hurt your fuel efficiency as much as other bulkier options. Hum by Verizon Car Diagnostic Device. Next up is a gadget that could quite literally save your car, the Hum by Verizon Car Diagnostic Device. Picture this. You're on a road trip, cruising down the highway, and suddenly the dreaded check engine light comes on. We've all been there, right? The moment you panic and wonder if you're going to be stranded in the middle of nowhere. Well, with the Hum by Verizon, that moment of panic can be a thing of the past. This device plugs directly into your car's OBD port and gives you real-time data on the health of your vehicle. It's like having a personal mechanic in your car. It tells you everything from engine diagnostics to potential issues that could arise before they turn into costly repairs. Philips LED Interior Lighting Kit. Transform your car's interior from basic to extraordinary with the Philips LED Interior Lighting Kit. Imagine driving at night, and instead of the usual dim, boring cabin lights, you're surrounded by a vibrant, customizable glow. The Philips LED Lighting Kit allows you to add a personalized touch to your car's interior, with a spectrum of colors and light patterns that can match your mood, the season, or even your favorite team's colors. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its adhesive backing that sticks right to your car's interior. Reservoir Car Seat Gap Filler. Ever drop your phone, wallet, or french fries in that impossible-to-reach abyss between your car seats? It's like a black hole that eats everything you drop. Well, the Reservoir Car Seat Gap Filler is here to save the day. This nifty gadget fills the gap between your car seats and the console, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it's designed to perfectly fit most vehicles, and the best part is it's easily removable for cleaning. No more awkwardly fishing around between your seats, or worse, driving with crumbs and trash stuffed into those unreachable corners. Kizuna Bluetooth Cart FM Transmitter. Next, let's talk about a gadget that brings your car's audio system into the modern age, the Kizuna Bluetooth Cart FM Transmitter. If you're still rocking the old-school aux cord or even worse, a cassette adapter, it's time to level up. The Kizuna Bluetooth Cart FM Transmitter allows you to wirelessly stream music from your smartphone to your car's radio via FM transmission. Simply plug the device into your car's cigarette lighter, pair it with your phone via Bluetooth, and you're good to go. No more tangled cords or fumbling with aux cables, just seamless music streaming. Pile Backup Camera System. When it comes to parking and reversing, there's always that lingering fear of accidentally hitting something. Enter the Pile Backup Camera System, a game changer for anyone who struggles with parking or just wants to make reversing safer. This system comes with a high-definition camera that you mount on your car's rear and a monitor that displays a live feed of what's behind you. With clear visuals and night vision capability, you'll never have to guess what's lurking behind your car again. Whether you're trying to squeeze into a tight parking space or backing out of your driveway, this camera gives you a clear view of any obstacles in your way, making it easier and safer to park. Tile Pro Bluetooth Tracker. Now, for those of us who are constantly misplacing things, the Tile Pro Bluetooth Tracker is the ultimate lifesaver. Picture this. You're late for work and you can't find your keys. You search high and low, only to realize they're in the most random spot. Again, the Tile Pro helps you track down your lost items with ease. This small Bluetooth tracker attaches to anything you might misplace. keys, bags, wallets, and even your pets. All you need to do is download the Tile app on your phone, and you can ring your lost item from the app. If the item is out of range, the app will show its last known location, and since Tile has a vast network of users, if someone else comes into range of your lost item, you'll be notified. Yada Digital Wireless Backup Camera. The Yada Digital Wireless Backup Camera is another excellent addition to your vehicle, offering a solution for those who find parking and reversing daunting. This system is similar to other backup cameras, but comes with the added bonus of being entirely wireless, which makes installation a breeze. It consists of a high-definition camera that you install on your car's rear, and a display screen that attaches to your dashboard or clips onto your rearview mirror. No tangled wires or complicated setups here. The system connects wirelessly, allowing you to see a crystal clear image of what's behind you whenever you reverse. SanDisk Expand Wireless Charger. Charging on the go can be a hassle, especially if you're using your phone for navigation or music. The SanDisk Expand Wireless Charger solves that problem with style. This compact, wireless charging pad sits in your car's cup holder and allows you to charge your smartphone without the need for any cords or plugs. Simply place your phone on the charger, and the device will start charging. It's perfect for anyone who relies heavily on their phone while driving but doesn't want to deal with the inconvenience of tangled cords or having to plug in and unplug each time. Bouncy GPS Car Tracker. If you've ever wanted to know exactly where your car is at any given moment, the Bouncy GPS Car Tracker is for you. This small, discrete device plugs into your car's OBD-II port and provides real-time GPS tracking through a mobile app. Whether you want to keep tabs on your teen driver, track your car in case it's stolen, or simply monitor your own vehicle's location, Bouncy has you covered. The app gives you insights into driving behavior, including speed, hard braking, and acceleration, which can be helpful for monitoring vehicle health and safety. Max Boost Wireless Car Charger. We all know the struggle of constantly needing to charge our phones while we're on the go. The Max Boost Wireless Car Charger is here to put an end to that frustration. This wireless charging mount allows you to charge your phone without fumbling with cords or plugs while driving. It automatically adjusts to fit your phone and securely holds it in place, whether you're navigating, listening to music, or just need to keep your phone charged for an emergency. It's perfect for those who need a hands-free experience, with the added benefit of keeping your device charged. LifeHammer Emergency Escape Tool. Finally, let's talk about the LifeHammer Emergency Escape Tool, a gadget that's more about safety than luxury, but is absolutely essential in any vehicle. This tool is designed to help you escape from your car in the event of an emergency, whether you're trapped after an accident or stuck in a submerged car. It combines a seatbelt cutter and a window breaker in one compact tool. It's easy to use and can save your life when every second counts. While we all hope we'll never need to use it, it's a smart idea to keep this tool within reach, just in case. With its durable design and practical functionality, the LifeHammer gives you an extra layer of protection while driving. If you found these car gadgets useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Stay safe on the road, and remember, a well-equipped car is a happy car. See you in the next video.